The reason you've been sent to this video is because you missed this first problem on your warm-up today. So as I'm going through this, you need to make these corrections on your paper that I hope you did the work on. If you did not, you need to open a page in your notebook right now and write down this information. So this is a regular hexagon, and you see what I've done is I have drawn some lines inside the hexagon, and I've divided this into 6 equal triangles. Draw that right now on your paper. You can pause the video if you need to. Now that you have drawn those lines, we're going to look at the area of just one of the triangles, this one on the bottom. And remember, the formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. You divide it by 2 because a triangle is half of a parallelogram, so write that down now. If you plug in the numbers and you look at this triangle, the base is 7, the height is 6 6/100, and after we multiply that, we will divide that by 2. So all I'm doing now is plugging in those numbers. You were able to use your calculator, so when you multiply 7 times 6 6/100, you actually get 42 and 42/100, but then when you divide that by 2, you get 21 and 21/100. So one of these triangles has an area of 21 and 21/100 square feet. However, the hexagon is made up of 6 of those, so you would have to multiply that by 6, and you end up with an area of 127 and 26/100 square feet. That was the correct answer for number 1. So make sure you know why you missed this one so you will get the next one correct.